Hello viewers, welcome back again to solving questions on indices. Here is another example for you for us to look at. Now look at this question we have what? 3 raised power x times 4 raised power 1 plus x equals to 6. Now everything here now is indices, but the problem is the indices here have different family. The only thing common to all of them is what? X. X is on 3x, x is on 4 is per 1 plus x, and x is on 6. Now, that's the way to start. Now, look at it. It's a very simple solution to it, which is what? Let's write the question first. 3x times what? 4 is per 1 plus x equals to what? 6 is per x. I do tell students, in all question or problem, there's always a solution. Now, since you see similarity with x, 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 that's what we are going to work with now. We need to follow for express this one. Remember, when we have a raised power b times a raised power c, we have what? A raised power b plus c. So also if we have a raised power b plus c equals what? A raised power b times a raised power c, because equal to means what? Vice versa. I told you with indices you can solve everything. Now let's apply it for this man here. We have what? 2 raised power x times what? This is addition, so we have what? Multiplication. 4 raised power 1 times what? 4 raised power x equals to what? 6 raised power x. Now, let's take which the ones with 4 raised power x to one side and the one with ordinary number to the other side. Which is what we have what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x times 4. But 4 raised power 1 will give us what? 4 equals to what? 6 raised power x. First, let's take this 6 raised power x here. We have what? Divide both side by 6 raised to power x. So we have what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x times 4 equals to what? 6 raised power x divided by what? 6 raised power x divided by what? 6 raised power x. So we are left with what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x times 4 divided by what? 6 raised power x. Now equals to 1, because this will give us what? 1. Now the number we want to take it to the other side. The same thing, divide both side by 4. Divide both side both side by 4. So we are going to be having what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x times 4 over 6 raised power x, everything divided by what? Uh, Divided by 4 equals to what? 1 divided by 4. Division sign to multiplication sign, we are going to be having what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x times 4 over 6 raised power x times 1 over 4, because the division sign, when it wants to change to multiplication, this one is over 1, therefore they will interchange to give us 1 over 4. Because I want to make sure, I just want to show you how it is being divided in this part. So 4 cancel out 4, we are left with what? 2 raised power x times 4 raised power x divided by what? 6 raised power x equals to what? 1 over 4. I hope you are getting me. Now moving on from there, I want to flip to the other side now. So moving on from there, we now have what? 3 raised power x times 4 raised power x over what? 6 raised power x equals to what? 1 over 4. Now, since the x now are now, that's our focus. We want to make sure that all the x are now the same. So we can now say 3 times 4 over 6, everything raised to power what? X. Since everything is raised to power 4, x raised to power x rather, we can make everything, we can remove the x and bracket it and raise it to the power what? X, because x multiply with x in bracket of everything, we multiply everything equals to what? 1 over 4. Now, 3 times 4 will give us what? 12 over 6 into bracket raised to power of x over 1 over 4. 6 here, 1, 6 here will give us what? 2. It should give us what? 2 raised power x equals what? 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, since we've been doing something like this initially, should know this one will give us what? 2 raised power x equals to what? 4 raised power what? Minus 1. Now 4 is a multiple of 2, we have what? 2 raised power x equals what? 2 raised power 2, the bracket what? Minus 1. Open the bracket, we have what? 2 raised power x equals to what? 2 times minus 1 equals what? 2 raised power what? Minus 2. Now the base are the same. We have what? Minus 2 and 2. Then we have for x equals to what? Minus 2. You can see it's simple and straightforward. It was only this long because I had to just explain a little bit by bit. Thanks for watching.